All right, guys, so we are at the second Freedom 500 ever. This is the first one open to spectators, and as you can see, all the spectators are here and ready to see it. I'm excited. It's going to be fun. We got the Freedom 500 today, Cleetus and Cars tomorrow. It's going down. Let's see some action. All right, guys, so we had the first caution of the race. I believe a Whistling Diesel and somebody else got into it over there. So we're under a yellow flag safety car situation. The race has been crazy so far. We've had a couple wrecks, but this is the first breakdown on track. So I'm sure they'll get it cleaned up quick. They got a few more spare cars over here. They'll get them back in those cars, get them on track, and keep this Freedom 500 running. All right, let's see the restart. Right onto the off-road. Story of the race. Cars getting hauled on left and right. Well, we got Cleetus exiting. Cleetus got a problem, it looks like. Get her moving! Got the front runners coming through. Little damage on the cars already. And we are 11 laps in. And he's still at it. Let's go. From first to last, just like that. Okay guys, so that does it for the Freedom 500. So that was an awesome race. It's glad to be out here for it. Thanks Cleetus for the invite. We appreciate watching it, and hey, look forward to all the next. And tomorrow, Cleetus and Cars, we'll see you out here. Okay guys, day 2 out here for Cleetus and Cars. So you can see they're getting everything set up and ready. The crowd's lining up out there. The gates aren't quite open yet, but they're about to let people start coming in. They're parking people, lining them up. It's about to get started. A little bit of the carnage from last night. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but this one sounds to be leaking something a little still. Maybe a little nitrous leaking out there. Alright, so the pits are filling up with all the burnout competition cars. Pretty awesome, looking like some real cool stuff today, so I'm sure we're gonna get to see some wild action.
What's up, man? What's cracking? Dude, the tire fire melted the fuel pump trigger wire. Well, you know what that means. Might have to fix it and come back. Yeah, there's the off fuel pressure, pump, brake. How'd you guys like that entry though? Was that cranky enough?
Who do we got behind the wheel of this beast?
Hey man,
we're ready to rip, bro.
Let's go.
We got Brent from PFI Speed back here, and he's about to rip it in the mystery machine.
you're waiting for it. And it's back. Par 3, usually par 3 the tire spots. This is par 3, this is the finale. This is the finale. This is new. You said he had tricks up his sleeve. We didn't know this was going to happen. Careful with that hood.
All right, guys. Well, hey, Cleetus and Cars and the Freedom 500 were one heck of a ride. It was a lot of fun. Thank you, Cleetus, for inviting us. We appreciate it. You know we're on board. We support the Freedom Factory. And hey, we'll see you next time, brother.